back to Cool Stuff with Judah, and today we have some flying saucers with us. So as you can hear, it makes a rattling sound whenever you shake them. So we are going to show you what's inside of them. So
I ate these all the time when I was a kid.
But
They're 10 out of 10 delicious.
But Judah does not know what's inside them, so. And if you don't, then we're about to find out.
You can't chew it, you have to suck it and just let it dissolve.
Well, I'm gonna take a small bite to see what's inside, so.
Oh, it's better if you just let it dissolve and be surprised when you get to the inside.
So you can tell just by tasting what it is?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Mmm. Tastes like a cardboard box. Yum.
It kind of tastes like a fortune cookie.
Yeah. Ooh, I got to the inside.
I did not.
These aren't as good as I remember.
Oh.
It literally tastes like a cardboard box.
No. Like you've ever had a cardboard box before.
True.
I don't know what these are. What are those?
Kind of like little, nerds.
Mm-hmm.
Similar.
So.
They're not a 10 out of 10 anymore. Give me one more. Let me savor it. Mmm.
It is good. I don't know. If you let it dissolve in your mouth, it goes from cardboard to good. Very good. But if you chew it, then it's a lot better. So, advice for if you get some flying saucers for yourself. Make sure to chew them because it makes it taste better. If you want to let it dissolve because maybe you like cardboard.
Gotta be better than those. What was that coochie coo bean you were trying to get me to eat?
A fava bean.
A fava bean.
And they're very good, yes. Salt and vinegar, chili lime flavored. If you ever had fava beans, you know what I'm talking about. Delicious. You can't say that they're not good until you've had them before.
No, thank you. What was the other? You're trying to get me to eat seaweed or something?
Dried seaweed, also very good. Salted seaweed, but you also can't
I'll eat my little cardboard sausage over them any day.
Well, actually, have you ever had seaweed before?
No.
No? Okay.
No, thank you.
Well, then, that's like saying I don't like cheeseburgers. Because someone at school said I don't like cheeseburgers because they've never had a cheeseburger. So,
Gotcha.
How would you know?
I'm just guessing. Does not sound good at all.
Well, anyways, get some flying saucers for yourself. Link in the description. And I would rate this maybe a 7 out of 10. The inside would be probably a 9 out of 10. But the outside, maybe not so much. So it basically is just like nerds in the middle, but kind of different.
I'll give it a 4.5 out of 10. I must have been a weird kid to think these were the greatest thing ever. But if you never had them before, you need to try them at least once in your life.
Yeah.
It's an experience.
Even if you like seaweed, maybe not too good for some people, but if you've had them, then you can now tell everyone that you've had flying saucers before. So, thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to
like and subscribe.
And make sure to turn on notifications so every time there's a new video on Cool Stuff with Judah, you'll see it as soon as you get the notification. So, See ya!